Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today I'm going to fire up the Kamado Joe Pellet Joe. We're going to put the DoJOE pizza accessory on it, and we're going to use that guy to cook some pizza. So let's get started. Okay, I have mixed up a batch of pizza dough here, and I will give you the recipe and instructions for this batch in the video description. While that dough's rising, we're going to get the Pellet Joe ready. I'm going to take the grill grates out of it, and we're just going to set the DoJOE accessory right on top here, and then we'll close the lid and then we'll fire it up. I am also going to close the top vent just like we would on the regular Kamado Joe. This top vent is normally in this position where this grill can exhaust up here, but we can turn it and close that where we're not exhausting at the top, and that's where you want it for the DoJOE. And then I'm just going to turn the dial and we're going to run this guy wide open. Alright, our dough's ready, so I'm going to roll that dough out onto my floured mat here, and I'm going to shape this out into a crust. Next thing I'm going to do is hit this guy with some of my homemade pizza sauce and get it spread out to the edges. And then I'm going to grate on some parm. And after the parm, I've got some pickled jalapeno peppers that we're going to drizzle on here. And next I've got some roasted red pepper strips here that we're going to kind of fill in the gaps. And then I want to finish this guy off with some freshly grated whole milk mozzarella. And now this guy's ready for the Pellet Joe. Our Pellet Joe here is running about 550 with the DoJOE, which is going to be just perfect. So let's get this pizza on. Okay guys, we're going to get this pie on the deck, and we'll just let that cook. We're just a couple of minutes in here, and you can see that guy's puffing up in there already. This thing's going to cook really well. And after about right at 10 minutes here, we are done. I'm gonna take this out. We'll have a little closer look at it. Okay guys, here you have it. This thing looks beautiful. So this is dinner tonight, so we'll take it inside and we'll cut it and we'll have a little closer look even yet. Okay guys, I've cut this apart. I want you to have a look at that. Does that not just look amazing? The Pellet Joe does a beautiful job with the DoJOE as an accessory, so give this a try, and I'll give you the recipe for that dough in the video description. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.